Hello Ji, Namaste, a warm welcome from Jigisha. Today let's make a Rakhi from a box which otherwise would have gone waste. This is a packet of 2 t-shirts which I am going to repurpose. Let's separate this plastic sheet from the box and keep it aside for a while. Let's mark a square on a paper. Cut out the square and then fold it. Give 3 folds. 1, 2 and 3. It will form a triangular shape like this. Now cut it from one corner this way and unfold it to form a flower shape like this. Now place this flower below the plastic sheet and with a marker mark a flower on a plastic sheet. Now using a 3D outliner, form an outline on this flower and let this outline dry for a while. And now it's time to fill this with glass colors. Glass colors are very interesting. If you want to check out my other videos on glass painting, then do click the link mentioned in the description box for the playlist. Spread the glass colors this way. You may use any combination of your choice. I have used pink and blue color and then blend them. When the glass colors dry completely, cut out the shape. Grab a glitter sheet, select silver color because glass colors look beautiful in silver background. Mark a square of the same size and then cut it out. Apply some glue and paste the flower on this glitter sheet. Wow!
Your brother is going to love this.
Again, apply some glue and decorate this flower. I am using a silver button to complement with the silver background. It's time to attach a string. Decorate the flower with a few flat back crystals. You may also use ball chains. I have used silver beads at both the ends of the string. And our glass colored Rakhi is ready. We enjoyed making it. Hope you enjoyed watching it. If so, do give a thumbs up because your likes stir smiles. Also share and subscribe and tap that bell icon to stay tuned with our team of artisans for you. Bye-bye.